Need more control over how content flows across pages? Page breaks help you organize long documents, separate sections clearly, and create cleaner print-ready layouts. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to control page flow using page breaks in Jotform PDF Designer. Let's get started. First, open your PDF template. Click Use Template to launch the editor. Once inside the PDF Builder, open the Add Element panel. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Basic Elements and Form Fields. The Basic Elements tab contains visual and layout elements that help structure and organize your PDF. The Form Fields tab contains submission-based fields that automatically pull information into the document. Inside Basic Elements, you'll find tools like Text for written content, Heading for titles, and Image for logos or visuals. You'll also find Line for section dividers, Signature for signable areas, Empty Space for spacing, and Section to organize related content. You'll also see Box for bordered areas, Page Breaks, which lets you control exactly where a new page begins, and Logo lets you add your logo if you want. Under Form Elements, you'll also find options like Form Title, Submission Date, Submission ID, and Submission IP. Today, we'll focus on Page Break, which helps create cleaner page transitions and prevents important sections from splitting awkwardly. Page breaks are especially useful for separating summaries, terms, signatures, appendices, or sections that should begin on a fresh page. Now, let's add one to the document. Simply drag and drop Page Break into the PDF. As soon as it's added, the document immediately splits and a new page begins. Notice how content automatically moves onto the next page? This gives you precise control over document flow and helps keep important sections together instead of splitting awkwardly between pages. Page breaks are especially useful when working with long content, dynamic fields, or sections that may change length between submissions. By manually defining where new pages begin, layouts stay cleaner, easier to read, and more predictable. If you change your mind, simply click on the top of the page break item to select it. Once selected, controls appear above the item. From here, click Delete to remove the page break and return the content flow back to normal. This flexibility makes it easy to experiment with layouts and organize sections exactly how you want. Page breaks also help create cleaner document structure by clearly separating key sections for better readability. Whether you're organizing summaries, agreements, signatures, or appendices, page breaks help create more structured and professional documents. Let's add the page break back in and preview the result. From the top right corner, turn Preview on to see exactly where the new page begins and how the layout looks in the final PDF. This helps confirm page transitions feel intentional and ensures the document remains clear, structured, and print-ready. Page breaks also help documents print exactly as expected by preventing awkward cutoffs and keeping important sections intact. And that's how you can control page flow with page breaks in Jotform PDF Designer. Define page boundaries, keep sections organized, and create cleaner, print-ready documents in seconds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.